Welcome back to Adventures in Pop-Ups. I'm Rachel. This is Blake. You're coming here because you have questions about pop-up camping. And we're in the middle of a series answering all kinds of questions about pop-up campers. So, today's question is, what kind of beds do pop-up campers have?
Yes, that's right. Well, they have, by and large, pretty poor ones, or crappy
beds.
Crappy beds. Even in the bigger campers, you'll have a pretty crappy mattress, and so a lot of people will just buy a new mattress and put it in their camper. Well, when you get into a pop-up camper like what we have, you're dealing with a foam mat or a small inner spring, like 3-4 inches tops, because the roof has to come down and close. We've found that the best add that you can do is add 2 inches of memory foam to the top of your mattress, and that seems to do the trick.
It really does help.
I really like Reflektix. I don't like the workout mats, but we have done those, and we do those sometimes. But Reflektix and memory foam seem to give it a little extra. So I put the Reflektix under the mattress to put it as a buffer zone between the wood, plywood, and the mattress, so it's just a little bit of a cushion in there. I don't know, I feel like anything helps to not create that board. I don't want to wake up stiff. I don't really like a firm bed. I like a soft bed. But if you like a firm bed, maybe you'll like
You're in luck.
your current setup.
Most pop-up camper beds have an inner spring, but they're pretty lousy. Some people do the mattress topper like we've done. Some people just throw the whole thing out, especially if it's maybe in used condition and it's like questionable or whatever. And they'll just get an all foam mat. You can, matter of fact, we'll put in the description some of the things that we're talking about. If you like links, they'll be ready for you. There's a foam company where you can even tell them exactly the measurements of your bed, and they'll send you a custom size, so you don't even have to cut it to size. I believe that people that do that use a 6-inch mattress, but I could be wrong. Every pop-up camper is different, so you want to measure for yourself. The way that most people do that is called the tissue box test. You put an empty tissue box on your mattress, then you lower the roof and see if it's squished or not, or how much did it squish, and it gives you an idea how much room is in there when it's closed.
Excellent tip, honey.
Thank you. I learned it from the internet. So, also, of course, you have a dinette that turns into a bed, possibly a couch that turns into a bed. Those are more of a cushion bed, so, you know, kind of like sleeping on a couch, but it works pretty well. I feel like everybody that's slept there has slept fine.
Yes, and if you have a local mattress factory like a Verlo, we have one of those, they'll work on beds and they'll take out memory foam or latex. Sometimes they'll throw that away and they won't reuse it. So you can ask them, hey, do you have any old latex or memory foam from a bed, you know, a custom comfort fit or whatever? Someone will buy it and they'll change to some convoluted foam or something else to try and change up the comfort. So you might be able to find some for very cheap, or you just order it. It's probably, you know, $50 to $75 for a full or twin, and, you know, $60 to $100 or more, depending on if you're going 2-3 inches and what you're getting, latex or memory foam. You can't go wrong with 2 inches of memory foam, okay? But the latex is better. It does keep its sponginess and its form better.
Something else that I've seen done but have not tried for myself is that people have used, well, first of all, air mattresses. They'll put an air mattress on top of the regular mattress, or they'll just plain use an air mattress. Also, I've seen people use those quick inflate camping things. They're only like that thick. They put those under the mattress, so when they get there, they give it a little extra boost, and that's supposed to be really good too.
Yeah, we haven't tried that. We have a little thin one, but we've not tried that, but I think that would probably help a whole lot.
I believe people use 2 or 3 depending on how big their bed is. Whatever fits, you have to figure out for yourself.
Cool. Well, that's a lot on customizing and making your pop-up camper bed, or bed in general, in a RV much more soft and comfy. And so you get a good night's sleep, because you don't want to wake up sore and stiff and regretting your decision to go camping. So anyways, happy camping, people.
Happy camping.